I have not sat on the floor for the longest time. Cannot remember. But at least now, I can go down, sit on the floor and get up. I had a fall in October 2023. Then 1 year later, I still suffering pain. Yeah, quite a bit of pain. I couldn't really walk for a long distance or even to stand. Yeah. So during that 1 year, I consulted, I think 5 orthopedics and did 3 MRIs. Saw 4 physiotherapists, and the recovery was just yo-yo. And I was told to go do an surgery on my knee. Yeah. Initially, when I thought it was not so bad, but I think I kind of didn't really pay attention because there was not so much pain. So I continued with whatever I was doing daily. Then later on, say about I think 3 months later, when I did because of the pain become more intense, and when I did my second MRI, I realized that I actually tore my meniscus. Yeah, that's where the doctor asked me to do knee surgery to mend the meniscus and also the patella. Yeah, my kneecap. Yeah, I was asked to do a keyhole surgery. Yeah, but I didn't want to. Yeah, because I think I should be able to do something like with the physio and all that. Yeah, to get better. In the end, it didn't get better. So from the advice of a specialist, I actually went very close, like twice a week, up to altogether 10 sessions of physiotherapy. And it's still yo-yo. I didn't get any better. Yeah, and that whole entire 10 sessions cost me like 1,500. Yeah. So after that, I saw another doctor. I give up, give up. Yeah, seeing. Yeah, I keep going to the different doctors. Because the last doctor I saw, the last specialist, told me to did another MRI, so my third MRI, and then he told me to go do some sort of taking my own blood and then spin it and then inject it back to my knee, which was also very costly, and I also didn't do it eventually, and I couldn't really walk much, so going to the malls to buy stuff. I don't do shopping. I just go get my things and then get home. Yeah. So life shouldn't be like this lah. Yeah. The worst is when I was at a mall and the thought of crossing the road to the other mall it really puts me off. I decided against doing that. It was that bad. Yeah. So when the lift came, I also wouldn't run from one where I am to another lift, because in the mall there will be a few lifts. Yeah. So I would just stand put for the one in front of me. Yeah. I was limping and all that. Yeah. So I actually, because of this, I had to give up a traveling incentive trip. Yeah. Because I think I cannot do it. Yeah. It's too much to walk. Yeah. Too much. Yeah. One of my friends advised me to maybe check with Vincent. That's how I got started. So met him for a consultation. Then I thought over how many lessons to commit, the cost of it. Yeah, cost to me is it's expensive. Yeah, so but in the end, I think because from my friends, you see, because I heard about and I watched his video before. Yeah, so I needed to do something for myself to get better. So when I came for the first 2 lessons, he didn't zoom in to my knee injury, but instead I started with shoulder, some movements and all that. So after a few lessons, that I realized that actually the approach is very holistic. It's not just targeting my knee, and also it covers my fear, the emotional part of it. The fear has always been there after I fell at home and knocked my knee. Yeah, and for the longest time, I didn't use that knee and I didn't go up the bed using the knee because I couldn't rest my knee on the bed to get up. I'm quite upset with them. I don't know if I can say this, so I'm quite upset with the doctors because it's surgery, it's vitamins, it's painkillers. The specialist told me that my leg is crooked, but they never tell me what to do. So over here, I learned to turn because it's crooked, so I'm trying to learn. So I turn it inward a bit, and that helps a lot in my walking, in reducing inflammation and the pain. So that is one of the things. So when they tell me crooked but no solution, this one explains, not just teaching me how to move, but he explains the science behind, which I appreciate very much. Then at least I understand. Gradually I see improvement. And there was once, after some time, I realized that I'm actually, I think maybe midway, I felt that I'm improving on the road of recovery. That's when I felt very happy and confident that I don't need to go see another doctor. Now I'm almost back to my normal activities. I could walk more, I could walk a little bit faster, but I'm still progressing lah. Not that it's completely healed, but I definitely not limping, and I don't walk with every step is so teary that I'm going to cry, with every step, clenching and crying inside, So now I'm walking quite normally and a little bit longer distance, Simple activities like grocery shopping, just that, and then doing some simple housework at home, doing some cooking, not asking for very much. Even that I couldn't do before the therapy, It's so much better now. I could do on my own. I could get a bit more. Previously, even when I go on my own, I have to be very mindful of how many things I buy, the load. It means I need to, 4-5 items, I must stop. I cannot buy anymore. In case, there's nobody to help me. So now I'm basically, so much better, happier lah. Definitely happier because I can do all the usual normal things. One of the things that I cannot is I have not sat on the floor for the longest time. Cannot remember. But at least now I can go down, sit on the floor and get up. So it's I cannot remember when was the last time I sat on the floor. Recently I injured my back. Then I recall an exercise he taught, and then I did it just for one time. And after that I felt so much better. It has been a great journey. All this past 11 lessons, So I definitely will recommend to people that I come across when they suffer from, chronic pains and it's money well spent lah. Although it's a lot, So I think I don't have to worry for my friends the cost of it. They need to see for themselves. I'm glad that I met him. That I got, to learn and pick up lessons that I can fall back on when I stop the lessons. I would know what to do. So he has taught me how to care for myself. With more progress, I look forward maybe to a trip end of the year next year.